Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about case study on real life application of partial differential equation. Let us discuss with our mentees.
Myself, K. R. Subramania. I am going to explain the topic on medical imagining. In that, the PDs will collect all the angles in the scanner. Then it will take it to the X-ray and it will collect all the data and move to PDE and it will reconstruct all the data and give in a clear form. And the examples are the detecting the tumors and the organ scans, everything will be according to this medical measurement. Thank you. Then Sam will continue.
I am myself Shyam Krishna. I am here to speak about the application of differential equations in the predictability of spreading of diseases. Here we are considering two terms, spreading and growing. Spreading is the migration of disease. If a disease spreads, virus does not stay at one place. It migrates to other places. Growing is how much spreading occurs. We use differential equations to predict the number of people who will get affected by the disease after a period of time. Example COVID.
I am Ashwin Kumar. I am going to explain about real life application of partial differentiation in engineering. Engineers use partial differentiation to optimize systems, design machines with a maximum efficiency, then minimize the material cost while maintaining strength used in fluid flow, thermodynamics, etc. For example, find a best shape of a container with maximum volume with a minimum material. Thank you. Next Sanjay.
I'm Sanjay. I'm going to talk about structural engineering. Structural engineering is nothing but designing the structures of buildings like dam, towers, etc. So to build this, basically we should calculate the force and applied force in that particular object. So in real life, the force will not be applied in a single point. It will be equally distributed over the object. So to predict the force applied on that object, we use PD, partial differential equation. So by applying it, we can find the force distribution and we can construct according to that. So basically, by building these things, they use PD, partial differential equation.
Let you develop on any few application of vector numbers.
There are real world examples in medical imaging, like detecting tumors. It will detect abnormal tumors before after the scanning, and also in medical field that scanning PD is very important because it will give the accurate clear image. And the next in organ scanning. Organ scanning also it will properly scan the liver, lungs, everything because it will capture all bloody images and then convert it into a restructured clear image. So the scan will be proper. And another example also the scan which has been taken is many photos, then that will be converted into a single photo and we can get the clear images. And why we are using this scanning method in the scanning method with the help of PDE is because it will give the clear image and it does not have any error connections.
It's also used in traffic signal management. When there are more number of vehicles, the traffic jam occurs. It does not accidents or anything like that. But when there are fewer vehicles, everything moves faster. There's no traffic jams. Using differential equations, we can predict the traffic jam so that it is easy for engineers to build efficient roads and set timers for those signals.
I'm going to explain machine learning and AI. In machine learning, partial derivative used in machine learning and AI, the partial derivative is used to help to train models through gradient descent. It helps to minimize the error and each parameter is adjusted using partial derivatives. For example, in neural network, a weight can be updated step by step to improve accuracy. So, Sanjay explained.
Partial derivatives are also used in stock marketing. Today, fast-moving days, many of them are moving to trading and stock marketing. So, to use the price of stocks and to invest correctly, they use partial differential equation. By using this partial differential equation, we can predict the outcome and currently moving stocks. So we can invest correctly and get maximize output values. Um, so partial differential equations are used in these many ways in our day-to-day life. So hope you guys understand. Thank you.